Hi, Vanquished Angel here again, and the topic is going to be what is my biggest complaint about Linux and what is the most aggravating thing about it. And that's going to be other Linux users. And the reason why I say that is I've been using Linux now for a long time, since you had to compile your own drivers and things. And anytime you get someone new that comes over to Linux, instead of learning how to handle things themselves, they call you over. And then they can't ever remember what they did. So then it's like 5-6 hours later to solve their problem, that if they simply would have taken 2 minutes to learn, or even remember what it is they did, or the 50 different buttons they clicked, could have been solved within a minute. And of course then they expect you to do this for free. So this would be my biggest complaint with Linux, and the biggest hurdle is other users. And then they don't get the message when you don't want to come over and fix it for them anymore, or when you get angry at the fact that they expect you to waste 5 hours a day helping them out constantly because they don't want to figure out how to solve their own problem. You have this in Windows too, but in Windows, usually they expect to pay for it eventually, or something else. On Linux, just not the case, and then they just don't respect your time at all. So that would be my biggest complaint. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.